making fun of kids with Down syndrome. That's not even it. That's not even funny. It's not as funny as you've done it before.
I don't remember how I did it.
Welcome to Oak Factory.
What is the Oak Factory?
That is
Took
so
a-
Oak Factory.
You're so dumb.
Oh my god, it's nice. Look.
Where are her teeth at? She can't speak English. They're gonna have subtitles. Cause her.
They know my people.